Today we're working on a 2007 50 horsepower Yamaha TLR 2-stroke. Uh, the initial problem was that the customer stated that they had just bought the boat, used the boat. Uh, they used it for that one day, and everything was fine. Went over to the dam. On the way back, the engine shut off on them. When the engine shut off on them, um, they noticed that they had an alarm. They couldn't hear the alarm because it was really windy, so they couldn't hear the alarm. Uh, Engine turned over again, turned on. Uh, they kind of just took it trolling back halfway towards the dock. Engine shut off on them again, and they waited a good 30-40 minutes, drifting off, and then again turned it over, turned on, put it in gear, and this time they actually accelerated a little bit over 1500 or 2500 RPMs, so they were picking up probably 20 miles an hour. Already towards the dock, engine shut off on them again, and so they decided just to troll back to the dock with the trolling motor when they could have just done that at the beginning, anyways. So basically, what he did is that he went back home, ordered a water pump, put on the water pump. But when they pulled out the other water pump, they said the water pump was basically broken up into pieces, and they only had gotten half of the pieces out of it. So they called me, brought it over. They explained to me the situation, what happened. And basically I explained to them, okay, so if you didn't remove all the pieces, then a lot of your other pieces are going to be inside either your water jackets or, well, yeah, basically inside your water jackets or water passages. So here, it's got 12 volts, 14 volts. The oil tank goes here. So you remove the oil tank and you remove all the 14 bolts. And so we already removed all these bolts. Me and Joe. Say hi, Joe. Okay. And, well, actually, Joe did it. I only took off one. Alright, so we already removed all of these bolts. Pre-removed them. And just be careful with the gaskets. Make sure you don't break it. The less money you have to spend, the better sometimes. So we've already removed all that. There you go. And as we remove this cap, you'll see right there, I'll point it out with the screwdriver, all of this right here, it's the broken impeller. See? So that's basically what's clogging up your water passage. And so we're going to go ahead and clean this up. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of silicone on the cap, and then reseal it again. And then we're going to go ahead and remove the head next. And as soon as we remove the head, so we can see if there's any more pieces in this one area. So, and the thermostat housing, I'm going to take that off too as well, to expose it to see if there's anything stuck on it. There might be something stuck in there. Well, there should be something stuck in there anyways. But